Welcome everyone to Learning with Rev. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install Anaconda, which is a great package manager that we'll use in Python. So right now we are on the home Anaconda website. From here we're going to go to individual edition, which is the free edition of Anaconda, and go to download. Since we are on Linux right now, we are going to download this right here, 64-bit x86 installer. You click this, it'll save it to your software file or your download file. We've already done that, so I am going to just open that up right now. So we're going to open up downloads here. We have our Anaconda file right here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy that to another file I've already created. It's in software. This is where we're going to store all the software that we will be using. Any special packages while they install will all be right here. Next what we're going to do is we're going to create a file called Anaconda, and this is where we are going to install it to. So first thing we're going to do here is we are going to be in our terminal ls, and we're going to cd into software. So this is the folder we're in. As we can see, Anaconda bash file is here to install, and the file we are going to be installing it into. So now if you go bash Anaconda file, we want to hit yes to enter. We want to read the warranty, but we know nobody ever does, and that's okay. Really, you should. Hit yes. Now it wants to install it right there, and that's not where I want to install it. I want to install home rev software Anaconda. Now it's going to take its time installing, and I'm going to skip ahead until it prompts us on the next part. Now we can see that Anaconda has completed its installation. If we scroll up, we can see all the libraries that have been pre-installed. It is asking us now if we want to initialize Anaconda 3 by running conda init. And so it's going to be yes, otherwise we're going to have to do this later. So we select yes, and now it's fully installed. So the next step we have to do is we do have to close this window, so that the terminal essentially resets and it knows the configurations for Anaconda. And now we can type in conda, and you can see that information now pops up. So now that Anaconda is successfully installed, we've completed this video. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you next time.